Hello. Now these do improve with practice, but also you need some what do you call it? Let's just get on with it, shall we? Some coping skills if natural genius doesn't come your way. So spur, the final frontier. Now hopefully you know that is space, the final frontier. But if you don't, it doesn't matter. But I want to show you how we work it. Now we know that there are only 3 places the 3-letter word can go. It could go there. The problem is nothing ends with SP, does it? So it's not going to be that. It could go in there. Let's say the sapip, the sip, the sop, the antp, santp, and the sandp doesn't work. So we know the 3-letter word has to go there. So space. Now that was nice. It came to us first time, wasn't it? The final frontier. But spear also works, but it doesn't work in the sentence. Spart isn't a word. Spant isn't a word. Feels like it should be. And spanned is also not a word. So space. Learn how to work the questions. That's one of the keyest things you've got. Next one. This is an absing book. Absing. Absent. Some. I know. Absorbing. Let's see if that works. Ab. Sir. And then we've got our or. Orb. And then back to an absorbing book. Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Oh, how exciting. It's got its own little world when it comes to changing colours. Right, there is only one way to... Right, we've got E, S, E. It could go there. E's, curries, oties, it'd be these, wouldn't it? Cappies, oneies, no. Oh, I can see it. So, you know something? Just S, and then we've got the cap, and then the E. Escape. There's only one way to escape. The magic E turned the A to an A. Now let's have another letter. He chose that moment to appear. Are we lucky enough? Let's try it. P-E-A, and then he chose that moment to appear. Yes, that happened to me today. I was just one of those days where it's not going right, and I was quite late, and I was putting on my jumper in the lounge, sort of sitting there just putting on my jumper really, and then the Jehovah's Witnesses rang at the door. It's not good, is it? Would have been better if they'd said, oh no, didn't see a thing. They had. But they're nice people, so I guess I can't complain. Let's have a look at what we've got here. I'm fed up with this colour. It's not altogether what I was planning. Right, Jane was afraid of them. Oh, afraid. Natural genius came there, but it says afraid. And the next one, I do like this one. This is rather a fun one because it's got lots of different possibilities. The ch creaked soundly. And now this is why you must make sure you read the sentence. So the cheat creaked soundly. The chant creaked loudly. The chair creaked loudly. I think that's the one, don't you? So I'll put a ring around it in case we confuse ourselves. We'll go over the others. And then you could put the CH at the end, say the teach creaked loudly. Wouldn't make sense. Or the beach, which could almost be it, couldn't it? But I think it's going to be chair. And that's why you've got to be careful. Thanks very much. Bye-bye. Oh, I should press the wrong buttons. Bye-bye again.